Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing graphics design tutorial. And the graphics design tutorial of today, it's all about the Adobe Spark post. So I've been actually reviewing it on my apps, but I've never shared with you guys what it's capable of doing. Actually, it's just a robust Adobe Spark post. Now for the people who they're not that much enthusiasms on Photoshop or any kind of Adobe software, well, I think Spark Post is just something which is capable for you to just edit your post on the go, to share it with your Instagram, social media, or you know what I'm saying. So I think to my own kind of aspect for further talking or further saying, let's get started. So guys, we're inside Adobe Spark Post, and something which is so awesome, we're gonna create a really quick poster for Adobe Spark using Adobe Spark Post. Now click on add, then we're gonna select any kind of background. Perhaps we're gonna create a food post, so go select any food we want, like this one. It looks so delicious. Wow. I'm gonna click on add. Then after that, I'm going to use the Instagram normal size, which is this one. If you prefer story or stuff like that, you're going to click on done. Now you're going to remove this watermark by saying just remove the logo. You can see we're having a text here, so I'm going to just make this text stay somewhere, perhaps here. So I'm going to just click on this text, edit, and say, you know what, fast food. So I'm gonna just increase the size out of it and just bring it somewhere here. Now I'm gonna change the color if I want to, and give it just a little bit of the breadth to have a different kind of variation of the color. I can interchange the color, and after that I can go all the way to shape, allow the shape or none allow the shape, or give it just something different, you know. So I prefer mostly just to use this kind of normal shaping, but if it's not your thing, you can play around using something like that, which still gives it a little bit of an amazing kind of breadth. I prefer, because it's a food and stuff, I usually use the color which is a little bit like yellow, so to be having that kind of stuff. Then click done, then interchange the colors, then go back to colors again. I forgot on that, change it to white. I guess this one, change it to white. So click on done. You can see it's just trying to interchange, and voila, there we're having it very perfectly. So we can adjust our fast food and bring it somewhere. Now right now the only thing which remain, but I guess I should just go with black. Let me be honest, black sparks more well and vividly. So after that, you can interchange any font you want. You can just go to font side, and you can see how much things are grooving. You can see different fonts or something like that. Is dope. So I'm gonna just click on this kind of post and adjust it and bring it somewhere there. Now after you're done, just go and add again, and if you want to add your contacts or stuff like that, contact as, so you're gonna remove this kind of shape because it's gonna be so much huge and we don't need it. So go all the way to shape, remove that, go all the way to color, keep it white, then bring the color or the text, sorry, it's not the color but the text, bring it somewhere there. You can see we're having our text there, but to give it more vividly, just change the font to I'm gonna use, what type of font is this? Behance New. Behance is good. Even Roboto, I think it's more accurate, more good. So you're gonna find a lot of, if you don't get any fonts, click on Adobe. You can see it's just trying to fetch that font, but for now we're gonna use this font. Now we're gonna duplicate the font. Now go all the way to edit, click duplicate. You're having a font there. Now you're going to minimize the font more and more. After that, we're going to keep our context. So I'm going to keep my context. So you guys, if you need a food or something, you're going to just get it out of me. You know what I'm saying? So bring your context somewhere here, just alignment there. You can see you've created your context as. But to look more professionally, more good, just bring it somewhere there and bring it somewhere here to give it more room, you know. So voila, there we're good. Now I'm gonna just go all the way to add again. I'm gonna add some icons. So I need like social media icons. So I need really cool social media icons. Like, let me just find Instagram. Voila, there we're having it. But these icons are like damn old school. damn old school. You cannot find a perfect icon for social media, but I can go all the way to old school. Let me just add that. It looks definitely like, social media, like Instagram, or social media, but Instagram. Then bring it here. Then we're gonna just create another text, or we can duplicate this one to make things easy. Then bring it somewhere there, downwards, and after keeping it somewhere there, just click on edit, then add fast food, your social media handle. So after that, you're gonna click on this shape, then yes, transform somewhere there. Perfect, voila, that's how you can see, guys. This is how it looks like. Very perfect, very nice, very fast food looking poster. So you can click done, then you can download your post. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on that kind of amazing Adobe Spark post, which is something which is so robust. Let me know in the comments down below what's your main kind of app which you usually use for your post on the go. It might be Adobe Spark post, it might be InShot, it might be those kind of apps. Dang, I just said all the answers already. It might be any kind of flavor of your apps which it. So just let me know in the comments down below, so as I can just mash up with you guys and understand what's happening here. But something else is all about this kind of app. It's so much great and amazing. Something else, guys, I've been dropping the new merchandise on my website. So some of you guys, if you'd like, you can go and check it out on my website. It will be something which is so awesome. Links are down below in the description. So support me on my merchandise to be something which is so great. Supporting your content creator is something which is so awesome. And I don't want to talk about the advantages of your content creator here. I just want to what I'm saying, support your content creator is something which is so great. Something else, I'll be catching you guys on the next one. If you're new here, consider continue. I was like, continue. Come on, what's happening here? Consider subscribing to your homeboy here. Sometimes I get stuck with that. You know what I'm saying? I'm just joking with you guys, but consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I'd really appreciate that. And last but not least, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. And peace.